Hey guys, welcome back to Trendy Gadget. Today we'll talk about how the Steam Deck can now run Windows. Let's head into it. When the Steam Deck was first announced, Valve promised that it was yours to do what you want with, and that extended to eschewing the included operating system for something more familiar, like Windows. We don't think people should be locked into a certain direction or certain set of software that they can install. Valve's Lawrence Yang told IGN last year, if you want to buy a Steam Deck, it's a PC. You can install whatever you want on it. You can even attach any peripherals you want. Now, 2 weeks after early adopters got their eager hands on the Steam Deck, Valve has kept its word by releasing Windows-friendly drivers for the handheld's GPU, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth, meaning you can ditch the default Steam OS and start exploring, but you probably shouldn't yet, as there are some severe limitations. For starters, audio drivers aren't yet available, meaning you can only get sound by connecting wireless earbuds, wireless headphones, or USB-C headphones. Secondly, Steam Deck currently can't dual boot, which means that for now, the only way of playing with Windows is to remove the default OS. While there's no way of putting Steam OS back on, it's clearly a bit of a hassle for something that's likely to be a pretty underwhelming experience. But that hasn't put you off. Know that it currently won't allow you to install Windows 11, as the BIOS with the required TPM support isn't yet available. But be prepared for the fact that you're on your own here, as Valve is unfortunately unable to offer Windows on Deck support. What's in it for you? For some, all of these limitations are part of the fun. It's not about a better experience, but about seeing something running somewhere unexpected. That's why people like the thrill of making GTA 5 run on a Game Boy or porting Doom to an office phone. Frankly, at this point, that's the only sensible reason to put Windows on your Steam Deck: curiosity. But in the future, once dual booting is implemented, this could be a killer feature for one massive reason: Game Pass Ultimate. While Valve says it would welcome Game Pass on Steam and that the ball is in Microsoft's court, so far neither company has made steps in that direction, and it doesn't seem likely, given the steep 30% cut Valve takes off content sold through its platform. With a Windows installation, Steam Deck can sidestep that problem to become a portable Xbox. Given that the Steam Deck is the closest we're likely to get to a PlayStation Vita 2, the option to dual boot could make Steam Deck the ultimate gaming portable. But for now, only the curious could dip their toes in the water. When Steam Deck support comes to games, it's up to our studios, says Microsoft. Valve's Steam Deck can run most games, but that doesn't mean it can run most games well. In listing out the status of their own games, Microsoft says that Psychonauts 2 is verified, meaning it's fully supported, while Sea of Thieves is merely playable, and Halo Infinite isn't supported at all due to its anti-cheat. Of the Xbox Game Studio games, Psychonauts 2, Hellblade: Senua's Sacrifice, and Max: The Curse of Brotherhood all get top marks, earning the verified label. That means they should run well, control well, and look good. Sea of Thieves, Forza Horizon 5 are all playable. That means you can play them, obviously, but their controls or other elements might not be best suited to Steam Deck's portable size without further work. The games that are simply not playable, all due to their anti-cheat features not playing nice with Proton, the layer which makes Steam games work under Linux-based Steam OS, are Gears 5, Halo Master Chief Collection, Halo Infinite, and Microsoft Flight Simulator X. It's not a surprise that not every game runs perfectly on a new device, and this isn't a full-throated promise of support from Microsoft, but it's at least a sign that they're thinking about it, even if the timeline is uncertain. Given Jim's positive words in his Steam Deck review, I hope more studios do retroactively tweak their games to run better on the new machine. What do you think about the Steam Deck? Let us know in the comment section. This brings us to the end of our video. I hope you enjoyed it. Hit like if you did, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss any of our videos in the future. Also, watch the 2 videos that are on your screen because I'm sure you'll love them. With that, I'll see you in the next video.